Hi guys, today we will talk about how to select location services never in the application of TikTok. To know how to select location services never in the application of TikTok, you should just go to TikTok here and do a click. After that, in this page you will go to this window profile. Then in this page you will go to above here and you will click in this sign. After that, you will go to settings and privacy. When you will see this page, you will go to privacy. After that, you will go to location services, and then you will click here in this sign, and you will click open settings, and you can turn on this sign as you see. Then you can know how to turn on location services never on TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.